In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through your financial platform to access and customize an aged receivables report. This is an essential skill for anyone managing accounts receivable, helping you to pinpoint overdue invoices and understand the overall financial health of your business. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your account and navigate your way to the main reporting section located at the top of the page. This area is your hub for all kinds of financial insights and reports, so it's a vital place to familiarize yourself with. Once there, you'll want to find and select either the Aged Receivables Detail or the Aged Receivables Summary Report. Both of these options will provide valuable insights, but they differ slightly in the level of detail they present. Choose the one that best suits your current needs. Now, you'll notice that the report will automatically set the date to today's date. If you need to focus on a different time frame, you can easily adjust this. Click on the date selection and you'll have the option to choose another specific date or select from predefined periods, such as end of last month. This flexibility allows you to tailor your report to the precise time frame you are interested in examining, providing a clearer picture of your receivables over time. Next, to get the most out of your report, you'll want to customize it further. Look for the Settings or Edit button, which will open up various options to enhance your report's usefulness. You can begin by adjusting the aging periods. This setting determines how your report groups invoices by age, allowing you to spot trends and manage overdue accounts more effectively. Additionally, you might decide to set the Aging by option. This choice lets you configure whether the aging calculation is based on the invoice date or the invoice due date. Choosing the due date is particularly helpful if you're focused on cash flow and the timeliness of payments. Consider which columns you need to display in your report. Tailoring the columns to include only the most relevant information can prevent your report from becoming overwhelming and make it easier to digest at a glance. Should you require a more targeted analysis, perhaps by specific customer or tracking category, use the filter options provided. This feature allows you to narrow down your report's focus to help answer specific questions or to follow up on particular accounts that need attention. Once you have set all your preferences, go ahead and click the Update button. By doing this, you'll generate a report tailored perfectly to your specifications. This custom report grants you the crucial insights you need, tailored to your organizational needs and timeframes. Navigating and customizing your Aged Receivables report can initially seem daunting, but by following these steps, you'll find it becomes an intuitive tool to manage your receivables effectively and keep a close eye on the financial progress of your business.